That in 2025,
yes, please,
they know who Nigeria need,
yes, please,
for 2027.
Yes, please.
And it looks like we don't have any say.
Yes, please.
Does this show that this is a democracy? I am waiting for the rest of the 14 states to decamp so that we know where we are.
In a year where we get the highest budget in history ever.
Yeah.
We're not even talking about performance of the budget. We're already talking about 2 years' time. There is no governor in Nigeria where go to say he not go love President Tinubu. Because in terms of revenue allocation and sharing,
yeah,
governors will be saying only 3 billion that they see before every month. They don't they see 7 billion.
they see front.
Some they nearly see 8 billion.
You
if you are a governor, you not go twerk for the president. As senators, a year
2 billion.
say constituency allowance
minimum 1 billion.
wey be say that they even struggle to enter they struggle to enter 500 million before or so maybe years as principal officer you go see 600 million. Now the list you not collect at all, you collect 2 billion. You the dividend of democracy as Balogun ask, you not see them.
Nah, but they see them.
The people where they see them.
So
it's normal.
Imagine a senator that is decamping.
Okay.
Did he come to your village to ask you whether to decamp? No. He decamped on your behalf without your consent. President intelligently play his political card. We are forgetting what budget said about the budget.
7 trillion.
7 trillion pardon.
Yeah.
The president is taking care of his constituency.
Insecurity has not reduced.
Okay.
Food has not come down. But they gang up and say,
and
I'm sorry, that tells you that there is no democracy.
The amount of concentration that this government is putting on 2027. What did 2026 do to them? Because 2026, nobody is discussing. Like you know they.
He go to shame us. Why even do calendar?
Why are they here?
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.